Land preparation. Once you've chosen the perfect location for your walnut farm, the next step is to prepare the land. A well-prepared land forms the foundation of a healthy and productive walnut orchard. This chapter outlines the necessary measures to ready your land for walnut cultivation. Firstly, the land must be cleared of any existing vegetation, including trees, shrubs, and weeds. Any remnants from previous crops should also be removed. This process may involve physical labor or machinery, depending on the size of your plot and the amount of vegetation present. After clearing, the land needs leveling. Uneven ground can lead to inconsistent water distribution and pooling during irrigation, potentially causing waterlogged areas detrimental to walnut trees. Therefore, ensuring an even surface is crucial for optimal water management. Following leveling, soil testing should be carried out to identify any nutrient deficiencies or pH imbalances. As mentioned earlier, walnut trees prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil. If your soil is too acidic or alkaline, amendments will be necessary. For instance, adding lime can raise soil pH, making it more alkaline, while sulfur can lower it, making it more acidic. Nutrient deficiencies can be addressed by incorporating specific fertilizers or organic matter. Deep plowing or subsoiling is the next step, aiming to break up compacted soil layers. This process improves soil aeration and drainage, facilitating the deep penetration of walnut roots. Creating an efficient irrigation system is a vital part of land preparation. The type of irrigation system will depend on your location, water availability, and budget. Drip irrigation is often recommended for walnut orchards as it allows for precise water delivery and conservation. Lastly, you need to plan your orchard layout. This involves determining the arrangement and spacing of your walnut trees. Standard spacing for walnut trees is 30 to 60 feet apart. Wider spacing promotes better air circulation and sunlight penetration, which can minimize disease occurrence and boost productivity. By following these steps, you are setting the stage for the successful growth of your walnut trees. In the next chapter, we delve into the actual process of choosing and planting your walnut trees, an exciting milestone in your walnut farming journey.